Hi my dear students, myself Ujjwal Kumar, and today I will start these sessions which is related to the crash course of class 10th. So as we know that the examination will held on 10th March of the sessions 2024 and 25 of class 10th. So here one more important thing, most of the questions will arise from the chapter trigonometry. So trigonometry will also plays an important role in class 10th board. So today I will provide some important knowledge, depth knowledge which will plays an important role in the examination which is related to the chapter trigonometry. So first of all try to understand what do you mean by trigonometry. So as we know that in the case of trigonometry, it consists of two words. The first one is trigonon and the second one is metron. We have to write like that: trigonon plus metron. So trigonon means what? Triangle, and metron means measure. So here in the case of this chapter, here we can give the relation between sides and angles. Sides and angles. And generally in the case of trigonometry, we can use right angle triangle, because right angle triangle is a triangle here. We people see here is the existence of perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. So some trigonometric ratios are there: sin cos, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and just the reciprocal of these all three terms means here we can say that the reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta, and the reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, and the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So it will also play an important role. And in terms of PBH, because I've already told ki here in the case of trigonometry, we people can use right angle triangle. Right angle triangle will plays an important role in the case of trigonometry. So first of all, I will draw the figure of right angle triangle. So see here. This is a right angle triangle ABC, and this is the 90 degree. So this is the hypotenuse, and this is the perpendicular, and this is the base, and here angle is theta. So there are six trigonometric ratios are here. The first one is sin theta, second one is cos theta, and third one is tan theta. So see here, suppose that this is the right angle triangle ABC, and at angle C here is the theta is here. So theta is what? Here it will represent the angle, so that's why we can say that theta is at C. So one more important thing in that case is, suppose that theta will lies here angle C. So people can assume ki just corresponding of that theta, that will termed as perpendicular, and you know very well ki just corresponding of 90 degree, that is the hypotenuse, and rest then is termed as base. Suppose that here it is one theta 1, and in the at angle A, that is the theta 2. So in that case, when we will people takes the theta 2 means here we people are trying to consider theta 2 means in the case of theta 2, we can observe, you can also observe just corresponding of theta 2, that is the BC. Okay, so here we can say that with respect to theta, here the perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is fixed AC, so the rest side AB is termed as base. It in the case of consideration of theta 2, but here I am considering angle theta. So let's see, in the case of theta, theta is here, so the value of sin theta in the terms of PBS, that is P by H, cos theta is B by H, and tan theta is P by B. Okay, and I have already told the reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta. So the fourth term is cosec theta equals to h by p. Okay, and the next term is sec theta. Sec theta equals to just reciprocal of cos theta, h by b. Okay, and the last term is that is reciprocal of tan theta, that is cot theta. Cot theta equals to b by p. B by p, because this is the reciprocal of tan theta. So here we can say that when we people learn these three terms, sin theta, cos theta and tan theta, so with the help of this value here we can say that if the reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta and the reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta and the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So whatever the value in the terms of PBS, the value of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, that will directly give the value of cosec, sec and cot, because the rest of the three terms are just reciprocal of above the given three trigonometric ratio. That one is sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. So in the case of trigonometry, this is the general idea, this is the general segments which is related to the trigonometry, and it will plays an important role. And when we will understand these segments, then we can feel easier to solve the questions which will comes in the next segments of that chapter trigonometry. So this is the value of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So now try to understand with the help of some examples ki, which type of questions will arise in the board. How can we people solve the questions in the board? So let's see. I provide some question. Suppose that this is the right angle triangle P Q R, and the value of PQ is 4 centimeter and the value of QR is 3 centimeter. Only two value is given. Suppose that this is the type of question. Suppose that the value of PQ is given 4 centimeter and the value of QR is given 3 centimeter. Okay, and the question is telling that the theta is lies at angle R. So theta is here. So we peoples have to find the value of, first one is sin theta, second one is cos theta, third one is tan theta. Okay, so see here, suppose that theta is here, and one more important thing, that is the right angle at Q. So the value of PQ and QR is given. So here we can find the value of PR. So how can we find the value of PR? As we know that PQR is a right angle triangle and the value of PQ is 4 centimeter and the value of QR is 3 centimeter. So by applying the Pythagoras theorem, we both know, and one more important thing, that is Pythagoras theorem, because Pythagoras theorem, these theorems will give the relation between perpendicular base and hypotenuse in the case of right angle triangle. So by applying this theorem, we have to find the value of PR. So here we can say that PR is the hypotenuse. So when we will apply the Pythagoras theorem, so that is the h square equals to p square plus b square. Okay, and here instead of h, when we will put pr, so that one is pr square equals to perpendicular square. So here we can say that with the consideration of theta, here we can say that just corresponding of that theta, that is the PQ, and the value of PQ is 4 centimeters. So when we will instead of put the value of a perpendicular, that one is PQ, means instead of P we can put the value PQ. PQ square plus base is QR square. QR square. So see here, the value of PQ is given. The value of PQ is 4 centimeter and the value of QR is 3 centimeters. So when we put them, 4 square plus 3 square, so PQ square. Okay, so 4 square 16 is here and 3 square 9. So here the value will becomes 25. PQ square equals to. So one more important thing, the value of PQ is under root over 25. So that one is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter means here we can see that in this triangle the value of P is 4 centimeter and the value of B is 3 centimeter and the value of H hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. Okay, so now I want to erase this, so then after we will see here. Means in the previous process, with the help of that process, here we can find the value of H, and that H is what? PR. Okay, so the question is telling that to find the value of sin theta. So I have already discussed about the formula of sin theta. The value of sin theta is P by H. P by H. So I have already found the value of P by H. So you see here the value of P is 4 centimeter. Okay. So instead of P, we people have to put the value 4 centimeter, and instead of H, we people have to put the value 5 centimeter. So the sin theta equals to 4 by 5, and thereafter is cos theta. Cos theta equals to B by H, and instead of B, we people have to put 3, and H is 5 centimeter. So the value of cos theta is 3 by 5, and then after the value of tan theta. So the value of tan theta is P by B. So instead of P, we will put 4 centimeter. Okay, and instead of B, we people have to put 3 centimeter. So this is the value of tan theta. So with the help of this process, like that, we will solve and we will find the value of sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. But in the board examination, some more important questions will arise from these segments. Here, so simply the question is telling that we find the value of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. But in the board examination, the question will arise means the same pattern will there. But the thing is that the some complex values means the question will tell us to find the value of, suppose that in that case the whole thing is given, and the question will tell us ki find the value of tan theta plus sec theta. In the some cases this question will tell us to find the value of sin plus cos by cot theta. So how can we find the value? So I can also provide that in other types. So let's see. I provide some questions is related to that section. So just wait. See, the one question is telling that if sin theta equals to 4 by 5, sin theta equals to 4 by 5. Okay. If sin theta equals to 4 by 5, and question is telling that find the value of value of 4 tan theta minus 5 cos theta by sec theta plus 4 cot theta. This is the question. This type of question will ask in the examination. So see here, the first thing, the value of sin theta is given 4 by 5, and question is telling that find the value of 4 tan theta minus 5 cos theta by sec theta plus 4 cot theta. So how can we find? So earlier I have already given one more type of question. So you can apply the same thing here. And when you apply the same thing here, then you have to easily find the value of 4 tan theta minus 5 cos theta by sec theta plus 4 cot theta. So let's see how can you find. So first of all, try to understand. So the solution, sin theta equals to 4 by 5. So as we know that the value of sin theta is p by h. So p by h equals to 4 by 5. So the value of p is given. The value of p is 4k and the value of h is 5k. Because it is in ratio, no, that's why here I have laid that in the terms of constant, that is the 4k and 5k. Okay. So here the value of p and h is given. So when you will people apply the Pythagoras theorem, so we can easily find the value of b. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, so simply in the short form I have written like that, P theorem. Okay. P theorem is what? Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So like that, h square equals to p square plus b square. So instead of h, we will use 5k square is equal to p 4k square plus b square. So 5k square means what? 25k square is equal to 16k square plus b square. Okay. So when you can apply, when you will take 16k square in the LHS side, so then it will become in the negative sign, because in the RHS side it will exist in positive sign. Okay. So in the next steps you can write like that, 25k square minus 16k square barabar b square. So the value of b is under root over 9k square. So the value is 3k. Okay. So the value of b is 3k. Okay. Means here we can say that the value of p is 4k and h is 5k, and by using this theorem we people have already found the value of b is 3k. Value is 3k. Means 3 value is here. The next value, the one value is, instead of p, we people write 4k. The value of b is 3k and the value of h is 5k. Okay. So I have already found the value of pbh. Okay. So let's see the another term. So I want to erase this process. See here. So the three values I have already found the value of pbh. So now question is telling that ki 4 tan theta 5 minus 5 cos theta by sec theta plus 4 cot theta. So 4 trigonometric ratios are there. First one is tan, second one is cos, third one is sec, and fourth one is cot. So let's see how can we find. First of all, try to find the value of tan theta. So tan theta equals to p by b. Instead of p and b, you can put the value from here. So 4k by 3k. 4k by 3k. So k cancel. Its value is 4 by 3. And then after cos theta. Cos theta is b by h. And the value of b is 3k. And the value of h is 5k. K cancel. So the value of cos theta is 3 by 5. Okay. And just reciprocal of that means when you will try to find the value of cot theta, just reciprocal of that value. Means here we can say that cot theta equals to 3 by 4 and sec theta equals to 5 by 3. So now you can simply put the value of tan, cot, cos and sec in the given expression and you can easily find the value. Okay. So how can you find the value? See here. 4 into tan theta. Value of tan theta is 4 by 3 minus 5 into cos theta. The value of cos theta is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Okay. And then after the value of sec theta is 5 by 3. 5 by 3 plus 4 into cot theta. The value of cot theta is 3 by 4. Okay. So 4 cancel, 5 cancel. So this one is 16 by 3. 16 by 3 minus 3 by 5 by 3 plus 3. Okay. So when you solve this value, then you will get the answer of these questions. Okay. So see here. So can I erase the first step? So see here. In the next step, you can solve like that. Here you will take 1 and 1. So 3 is LCM. So 3 is LCM. So 16 minus 9 by 3 is LCM. 5 plus 9. So 3 cancel. So 7 by 14. 7 by 14. The answer will be 1 by 2. So when we will put the value of tan, cos, sec and cot, so then in that case we people found the value is 1 by 2. So like that you can solve this question. Okay, so these segments will also play the important role. So like that you can solve the question in examination. So this is the first session of the trigonometric ratio. So I will provide the next session of important session of the same topic or the same chapter, and then after the next segment is of trigonometric ratio and also trigonometric analytics. Means most of the questions I will explain which is related to the trigonometric ratio and trigonometric analytics. So like that you can revise them. Okay, so in the next session I can also provide some important questions which will come in the examination. There is the surety of 99% that question will come in the examination. So